Good morning, guys. What's going on? We have a long road trip today. 8-hour drive. Decided to drive so we can just experience a little road trip together and take Tadow. We were gonna fly. It's a quick flight, but we'd have to rent a car and all this other nonsense. So we're just gonna jump in the car. It's all packed, actually. long drive. But we're going to Hall of Flowers tomorrow and the next day, so Wednesday and Thursday. It's gonna be an amazing trip. Business Insider event. Buyers meeting brands trying to get their products in different stores. Brands go extremely big for this event. They spend tens of thousands of dollars on their activation setup. We got personally invited by a few of our brands that are sponsoring our event in October. So we're gonna go say hi to them, give them some love, check them all out, and smoke a ton of good hash. There's gonna be a lot of good product up here. And fortunately, we're gonna get a sample, a ton of it. Let's go smoke right now, get ready for this trip. Maybe grab something to eat or drink. But let's go.
You ready? You ready to put on leash?
You're going.
Let me have your arm.
All right, we're in the car. Tadow is obviously overexcited because she doesn't know what the hell's happening. Jana's tossing in the directions, and we're gonna be on the road. So it's a long trip. We'll make a couple stops, and we'll say hi to you guys if anything interesting happens.
What's up, guys? We're in a little bit of traffic right now, but best part about it is she's sitting down. Fucking dead. All right, we're at the dog park. Tadow needs some water. Water check. Come on, mummies. About halfway there. We're gonna stop for some food so Tadow can go potty, get a little energy out. Come here. Who is she? Hi. Hi. Go get him. Go. Seems like the people don't pick up their dog poop around here very much. But we just had some Raising Cane's. I'd rate it like a 7 out of 10. It's solid, but I didn't know that the chicken sandwich is just 3 tenders on some bread, which it worked. Let's get some water. Water check. Oh, it's down there. Come on. Let's go get daddy. Go get daddy. Yeah. She's so fast. Just like that, she's gone. Kind of smells like fire right now, so not the best of air quality. Come on. What is that? Who is she? She's so fast. Oh, it's so mushy. Gross. It's so mushy. There's like 2 inches of water.
Kill the grass.
Yeah. Ew. Try your dog.
Just one. You don't know.
You were laying down.
Yeah. Strange. This is strange.
Damn, it's an old bridge. Go this way. She's so confused. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Hey, babe. Doesn't look like we can take her off leash because there's no fence. Well, we made it, and my first observation is there is no outside fence for her. So I was assuming that I would be able to just let her go, but that's sadly not the case. But this is a pretty nice spot. I can't wait to see what else is inside. I'm kind of just focused on her using the potty right now, so we'll see you inside. We used to have an older version of one of these at the ranch.
We did? Yep.
This one says not for guest use, although if needed, we would know how to operate that bitch.
You see the old Coke stuff?
No. Whoa, that's pretty sick. Nice kitchen, big table, little island. Not gonna lie, the island's a little bit bigger than the one at our house.
Weird door.
It's like a barn door.
Yeah.
Disappearing barn door. Is this the bedroom? This is the bedroom. Boom. You got a little bit of a view, I'm sure. Oh, and we have the deck. Nice. Oh, hi.
Yeah, this is where she can go.
Yeah. Hi. This is your deck. It's locked. You have to go around. Whoa, that's an apple tree too.
Yeah, they're all up.
This thing is massive. Yeah, it says beware of falling apples.
They sit on this.
Got a little swing, outdoor swing. Relax and unwind. You fucking bet we will. The neighbor's dog is a little bit loud, but that's okay. It's because we're not from around here, and the dog's just trying to do its protecting, and it's doing a good job, quite frankly. Okay, back inside. Looks like we got a lot of games and puzzles. They look like puzzle people. Lots of puzzles. Let me go to this other side of the house that I didn't get to.
This is cool. It has like obviously like the master bedroom or whatever, but then
Wow.
if you have kids,
Whoa, this is fucking nice.
or if this was like the house, this could be like the stream room.
Hi.
If this was the house, the bed.
This is like an addition.
the dub stream room. So
Oh, this would
this
be
is a patio that
sick.
they just covered.
Yeah, this would be sick. Oh, who is that? Oh, yeah, hi, Miss Mommy. Come on, up, up. Yeah. Where are we?
Yeah, there's plenty of stuff.
Oh, they have Lincoln Logs, dude. The original one. I'll be playing with these for sure. This is a really nice Airbnb.
Yeah.
Yeah, for being all the way, to be honest, when we drove back, so the road to this house off of the main road was, I want to say, on the sus side. So we're very grateful to have this at the end of the road that we were driving on. All right, I think we're gonna get some of these things out into the fridge, eat it out. See you shortly.
Shit. Fire alarms. Smoke detectors. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I had to blow that shit outside. Forgot to check where the smoke detectors are. There's literally one right above me as I'm taking a dab. Forgot about the smoke detectors. I almost blew it like right at it.
Whoa, look at that cabin.
Shopping. Oh, it's it, dude. San Francisco tree. You want mint?
Vanilla.
Okay, I was like, I don't know.
Frosty Paws for Tadow.
That's what I thought. I didn't follow down to that. Oh, they have a whole grocery store.
Yeah, this is where the magic happens, babe. Damn, kombucha is look how nice this market is.
This place is
This
amazing.
is a nice fuck. I would like if our market was this small, just because it's like you get these things.
Like a lot of local stuff.
Yeah, I love it.
We're not gonna need anything.
No, we're not cooking, right?
No, it's just,
Kiwi berries.
you want them? Is that even good? The hell?
I don't know, but it says Ladybug Farms. Oh yeah. Zest freeze. All right, boom, got it.
So we got egos, chips, and ice cream.
Yeah, but what are we eating?
here
Where's
we
the
go.
delis? Yeah. So they have these. Yeah.
But I got an order
absolutely.
sheet right there, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, let's order. They've got, you could build your
Let's
own.
go, man. Hungry. Super hungry. So happy we found this place, man. You guys got the best beer selection in town. Very good.
Let's do sliced sourdough.
I think I'm gonna do.
Or what do you want to do one up
I'm
there?
just gonna do the BLT club.
Do you want to do one of that and then I'll get something
Yeah,
else?
do one.
Do you remember the one that somebody told me there was a name of a bottle of wine that was the same vineyard as Rombauer, but not Rombauer.
That I do not remember.
I'm gonna try this one though.
Is
It
that
just
the
looks
juice?
like, I mean,
Is that the one that with that sign on it?
yep. Balletto, this is Hess Collection.
Did you want the one with the sign on it?
I don't know.
Because that's this one for better.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the first one.
Are these just cold bottles
Yeah.
of it, of the same wine? So if you want to drink it
No,
already?
some of them are different. Like, I didn't see Rich and Creamy over there.
Because like that one
Mer Soleil is right here.
is right there.
Yeah.
So if you just wanted it cold, you could just buy it cold.
Technically, yeah, it's the same price.
Are you excited? Hi, Santa! Alright, so we got bloody orange fucking cider. Jana thought that was gonna be yummy. I did too. We got, boom, jalapeno chips, necessary. Jana got Hawaiian chips. We got It's It ice cream. We got 2 sandwiches. What'd you get on yours? Did you...
I got a BLT Club.
And then I got a turkey Reuben. And then we got Jana some blueberry Eggos. We got some of the best potato salad that me and Jana have tasted. Some homemade tater salad. We got some more beer, Maui Wowie. I think these are local beers too.
Yeah, those are.
Those are local. And then we got
They're from the brewery.
golden kiwis
Here's the.
and cookies.
It's from.
Let's eat. Open it.
Cut. It is cut. Knife not needed. Yo.
Spread them.
Okay.
Looks pretty good.
Looks fire.
Is it good though?
Let's find out. Get this paper out of the way. There we go. She and all her beauty. That's fresh.
Pretty good. That's pretty good. This shit though is really good. That's a big ass spoon. What the fuck? Why are you giving me a bigger spoon? The whole fucking. Yeah, put that near your mouth and tell me how huge that is.
Oh my god. This shit hits. It's like vinegary.
I don't think their toasting machine toasts.
Didn't toast.
Very toast.
Uh-uh.
Toastability on the toasty machine is not toasty.
But I do like that it's not ripping apart.
I think I just ate a piece of paper. I'm okay with it.
Clip it.
The guy said, "Do you want to try a sample?" and then handed us a spoon like this.
I
And I was like, "No, I'm full, dude. I don't want to buy anymore." Handed us. I was like,
2.
I was like, "Why did you hand us so much? Holy, what kind of samples you guys give out here?" I thought it was crazy.
Okay.
Pricey sandwich, but it's good.
It said Gourmet Deli, so they know what they're doing.
That sounds like premium weed. That literally sounds like premium.
Yeah,
weed.
they're charging high. Those are the only one in the area that does.
Gourmet Deli.
I'll just call it by its real name, Delicatessen.
Like the video. See you tomorrow.